On a crisp autumn morning, Mary, a young woman with auburn hair and eyes like the summer sky, set off for the bustling town market. Her basket hung sturdily on her arm, ready to be filled with fresh produce and local delicacies. Mary loved the market, a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and aromas that never failed to excite her senses. As Mary entered the market square, she was greeted by a cacophony of voices and the tantalizing scents of spices, freshly baked bread, and ripened fruits. Stalls overflowed with an abundance of goods, from plump tomatoes and crisp lettuce to vibrant flowers and hand-woven textiles. Mary's heart swelled with joy as she took in the lively atmosphere, her eyes darting from one enticing display to another. Her first stop was the produce section, where she carefully selected plump apples, juicy oranges, and crisp carrots. She paused to admire the pyramids of freshly harvested pumpkins and the vibrant greens of spinach and kale. The aroma of ripe strawberries filled the air, and Mary couldn't resist picking up a punnet of the sweet berries. Next, Mary ventured into the bakery section, her mouth watering at the sight of golden loaves, flaky pastries, and delicate cakes. She couldn't resist the temptation of a warm baguette, its crusty exterior giving way to soft, pillowy bread. She also indulged in a sweet, raspberry-filled croissant, savoring its buttery goodness. As Mary continued her exploration, she was drawn to the stalls displaying handcrafted goods. She admired the intricate designs of woven baskets, the vibrant hues of embroidered garments, and the delicate craftsmanship of pottery. She couldn't resist purchasing a pair of hand-painted earrings, their colorful designs adding a touch of whimsy to her outfit. Throughout her market adventure, Mary struck up conversations with the vendors, learning about their lives, their families, and their passion for their craft. She was touched by their warmth and hospitality, and she felt a deep connection to the community that thrived in the heart of the market. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the market square, Mary reluctantly made her way towards the exit. Her basket was brimming with treasures, and her heart was filled with the joy of the day's experiences. She carried with her not just fresh produce and handcrafted goods, but also the warmth of human connection and the memories of a vibrant, welcoming community.